see what we got here.
What's this here?
So here we go, packing the car. Today we got like maybe a couple different things, but we need these frozen chickens in the cooler. So we got that one, and then the one over there. What else do we have that's cold? We have this quesadilla that we got. We've never tried that before. That's going to be our dinner. And then maybe the eggs are cold. There's nothing else that's cold. That's it.
Give me those cookies.
Yeah, maybe these cookies are my favorite. Cookies. And then these Danishes we got again. If you guys saw our last Costco video,
I think that's gonna
cherry cheese. Okay, Steven's packing the cooler. We do have another one. We bought two, but we only needed really one this time. We got paper plates, another rotisserie chicken.
This has got a smell to it.
Oh, what is?
My beer is in there.
Ew. Do we need to put these cheese Danish in there then? You think? Oh boy.
Put it in there. You're gonna hurt it.
Are you putting this in here?
Yeah.
So put those in first, and then I'll put the cheese Danish on top.
They're cold. There's a pack in here. There's an ice pack, but it went defrosted.
It's okay. We're just putting that in there, and that's it.
What about the?
There's nothing else. We got baguettes, sun chips, Rayo sauce, and olive oil. All of
You can
this,
put it all on the back.
plus all the water. So all of this was about
$212.
Yup,
Nothing
crazy.
here.
There's hardly anything here. I mean, guys, you know things are expensive right now.
Half a week's of work.
Yeah. Oh, jeez. My husband's better about the prices. All right. So I think this is going to be like part 3. We were on a little getaway, so that's why there's stuff everywhere. Okay. Until next time with another Costco. This is our Costco in Orlando.